We interrupt this program to bring you an important Wayfair message. Wayfair's got style tips for every home. This is Styles McKenzie helping you make those rooms sing. Today's style tip. When it comes to making a statement, treat bold patterns like neutrals. Go wild, like an untamed animal print area rug under a rustic farmhouse table from Wayfair.com. Arr, fierce. This has been your Wayfair style tip to keep those interiors superior.
Wayfair, every style, every home.
This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Today's discussion is the S&P 500. So here's what's going on at the S&P 500, and this is a signal for investing. Just something people should all think about as they look at investing. First, the S&P 500, after being down significantly this year, is now down about 4% year to date. And that's simply a remarkable sort of turnaround from being down nearly 15 to 20% at the height of the tariff scare. There's really three lessons that come out of this at least. One is you have to buy and hold for the long run. You can't, number two, try and time the market. That's a fool's errand. And then the third lesson is, and we talk about this often, is you have to know your allocation of assets, equities to bonds to cash, so you're not so overweighted in equities so that when things go in the wrong direction, you don't panic and sell. So three quick thoughts. Buy and hold. Don't try and time the market. Know your allocation. If I was going to add two more things onto that, have an emergency fund. And also don't get yourself in too much debt. Keep yourself out of too much debt. So five quick thoughts to go with the S&P. Thank you so much for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast.